The oil life indicator on your 2022-2023 Honda Civic's dashboard alerts you when an oil change is due. Resetting it after an oil change is crucial to recalibrate the system and clear the maintenance due light. Here's how. First, ensure your Civic is turned off, but the key is in the on-to position. Next, use the trip reset button on your instrument panel. Press it repeatedly until Oil Life appears on the display. Once you see Oil Life, press and hold the same button for about 10 seconds. The display should then show Oil Life 100%, confirming the reset. If successful, you're all set. If not, retry the process, ensuring the key is in the correct position and you hold the button long enough. Remember, resetting without actually changing the oil can lead to engine damage, so only reset after a genuine oil change using approved 0-20 synthetic oil. For reference, this shows the maintenance due alert on the dashboard. While the reset process is usually straightforward, some issues can arise. If the oil life indicator fails to reset, a low battery voltage might be the culprit. Try charging the battery and repeating the process. Also, consider using an OBD2 scanner for verification, especially after professional service. Honda issued Service Bulletin 25-001 in early 2025 addressing reset glitches due to sensor calibration. A free ECU recalibration at authorized service centers resolves this. Keep in mind Honda's maintenance minder codes, A for oil filter, B for tires for full resets. Neglecting proper maintenance and resets can void warranties and lead to premature engine wear. Consult official Honda resources or professionals if problems persist. Stay informed via the Honda Link app for real-time oil life status and potential app-based reset prompts, a growing trend in digital automotive maintenance.